Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful summer earrings. I love how they've come out, so let me show you the supplies I used. I've got 4 different types of beads and my earring parts, and of course you'll need a needle and a clear thread as well. To start, I'm going to add my blue bead stopper. This is something we'll take out when our earrings are done, so attach it on loosely so you're able to take it off later. Get 3 white beads and put them through your needle and push them right down next to our blue bead. You'll have 3 beads like this, so separate the top 2, like I'm doing here, and then you'll put your needle through this white bead here. Ignore the blue bead. Then pull your needle through and it will form this little triangle shape right here. Okay, so now grab your next color. Mine is pink, and I'm just going to get 1 pink bead and put it through that top white bead on the edge right there, like so. I'm going to pull my needle through, and this puts my pink bead in place. Next, we're going to get another pink bead, and with this one, we're going to put it through the pink bead that we've just put in, like this from the top. So what we're doing for now is just building a row of our beads. Here I'm getting my next pink bead, and what I'll do is put it through the top pink bead like this. And now I'm going to add my yellow. So I'm going to get my yellow bead, and through this pink bead, I'll pull my needle through, and the yellow bead will be on top like so. Grab your next yellow bead and put the needle through the existing yellow bead and pull that through as well. So as you can see, there's a nice row being formed. And for the rest of the pattern, all I'm going to do is get my white, pink and yellow beads and keep doing what I've just done. So I've reached a point where I want to add my white beads again, and I've just done that now. So while I continue doing this, I'll quickly mention that I'm going to put everything I've used in the description box below. And also, if you are enjoying this video, please do like the video, subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. I would appreciate it a lot. For this project, you can use as many colors as you like, by the way. You can use 2 colors, stick to 1 color, or use 3. It's really up to how creative you want to be with this. I picked 3 colors because I thought it looked quite nice like this. If you have any ideas on what color combinations will look good together, leave it in the comments box below, and maybe in the future projects I'll try out one of the color combinations suggested. Okay, so you can make your earrings as long as you like, but for me, I'm going to add these yellow beads as my last set, and then I'll show you how to add the top and bottom beads as well. So here I'm adding my last yellow bead for the row. You can see there's a little pattern of small triangles. Okay, so now you're going to get your needle and go through the top bead here without any beads in your thread. We just want to get to the top so we can add our 3 yellow beads here. So I've got 3 beads on my needle, and I'm going to put my needle through this yellow bead and this pink bead. And then I'll pull my needle through. And then when I pull it through, you'll see it forms a nice little arch with those 3 beads. Now I'm going to grab my 3 pink beads. And then, very similar to what I've just done, I'm going to put them through my thread like so, and then go through the pink and white beads here. And then I'll pull that through. And you can see the shape is now really starting to come together. Now get your 3 white beads. And then we'll just put our needle through the white bead and the yellow bead here and pull that through. So now we're just going to keep repeating this for the rest of the rows, and I'll let you know what we do when we get to the white beads at the very start. So when you get to the white beads, what you're going to do is grab 3 white beads and push them down your thread like this. And then you'll get your needle and go through these 2 white beads here. Ignore the blue bead, we are going to take that out, so I've just put my needle through the 2 white beads here. Okay, so now with my needle, I'm going to take that blue bead that I loosely added on out. So I'm just going to tug on the thread and take that right out. You'll have some extra thread left, so please keep this to one side for now. I'm going to add my earring parts on, so get 2 gold beads, your earring part, then 2 gold beads again. And with my needle, I'm going to go through these 2 white beads right here, like so. And when I pull on that, the earring part should fall right into place. And I'm just going to go through that once again to make sure it's securely in place. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to weave through the beads so I'm next to the other thread that we took the blue bead out from. When these 2 threads are next to each other, what we're going to do is tie 2 knots like this. After you've tied the knots, what you can do is cut the excess thread off, but I'm just going to leave it to the side for now so I can weave in and out of my work later. And what I'm going to do with the thread that I already have is just do the same thing I'm going to do and weave in and out through the beads. This is to make sure the threads won't come apart or the beads won't come apart and everything is sitting nicely in place. I'm happy with that, so I'm going to now cut this one off. And there you have it, beautiful summer earrings.